Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I am going to show you how I do my clothing labels, my HTV clothing labels that I put on my shirts. I just recently started making these, so the last shirt that I sent out actually had my name on it to just show that I made it. Before we get into this video, guys, please make sure you are subscribed. Also make sure you give me a big old like on this video. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked below in the description box. I will also leave the link to the heat transfer paper that I use. I get it from Amazon, so I will make sure to link that below. If I forget, guys, please remind me. And also, if you would like to know where I purchase my t-shirts, tank tops, and things like that from, let me know, and I'll leave that below in the description as well. Good quality. I love the company. They have fast shipping. Great. And they're in the United States, so that's a plus because you get faster shipping. But anyway, quality shirts, and customer service is amazing. Anyway, let's get into this video, guys. So this is a video for someone who already knows how to use registration marks. If you do not, I actually have several videos that I use registration marks, and I have a video specifically for registration marks. So if you don't know how to use them, you can check out one of those videos. So I already have my registration marks on, and as you can see, my computer is acting a butt today. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste here because I already have done these already. I've already made these. So I will show you though. These I made for dark fabric. So as you can see, I used one already. I made these a few days ago and I put it on a shirt I just shipped out. So now I need to make some for white t-shirts. So I figured why not show you guys, because I did put a poll out there to see what kind of video you guys want to see next, and it was clothing labels. So that's why I did the previous one with the clothing hang tags, and that's why I'm doing this one. So again, because I'm using the heat transfer paper for white garments or light garments, I have to mirror this, because you have to mirror the image for light garment heat transfer paper. When you're using the heat transfer paper for dark garments, you don't have to mirror it. So what you want to do is go over here to the replicate. It's this funny looking shape over here on the right hand side, and you go to replicate. Down here at the bottom it shows mirror, so you can either mirror it left or right, up or down. If you mirror it up or down, it's going to look weird, so I'm just going to mirror it left. And whenever, okay, I was supposed to say whenever my computer is ready, it will mirror it. So I'm going to take these. I'm not going to delete it. I'm just going to move it off the mat. And because I know everything is within my my grid lines, my cut lines, and my print lines, it's slightly off on that side. Sometimes when you mirror it, it can mess up. But I have it mirrored, so now what we're going to do is print this, and then we'll cut it. Okay, so I'm just going to go over to the printer thing here and look and make sure everything looks good and is within range, and it is. So now I'm just going to click print. It's going to print to my printer and we'll be good. Okay, so as you can see, it has printed, and it has printed mirrored, so you can see the difference. Okay, so now we're just going to put this on to our cut mat, and then it will cut out our tags. So let's do that. Let's go back to the computer and I can show you the settings. So we're going to make sure it's selected. Click send. And oh, there we go. Okay, so we want to cut it. This, we're not going to do like we did the other one and just cut the edge. We want to cut it, but we need to change this from cardstock to heat transfer printable light. And it has a setting of 1. I turned mine up just slightly because I noticed that when I use the heat transfer paper and I use the one setting, I'm finding myself weeding out the part of the paper that I don't want on my shirt. And if you want to use the white blank area with your labels, you're more than welcome to do that. But for me, I just want the name and nothing else. So I choose to turn my blade up just slightly. I actually turn it up to in between 3 or 4 to give me that extra cut, so that it cuts out more around my my letters, if that makes sense. Okay, so now we're just going to send this to the silhouette so it can cut. Send. So just like last video, it's reading the registration marks so it can cut it. Alright guys, so I have printed it off, and as you can see, I cut a piece off so I could put that on this shirt. I didn't actually take off the excess white because I kind of want to see what it looks like when I iron it on. So yeah, so let's do that now. So I'm just placing it right here up underneath the tag that's already there, and these are actually rip tags, so I could rip that off if I want to. I might rip that off and just leave the care instructions on there, but yeah, let's go ahead and just iron this baby on. Let's make sure that all sides, it looks like it's down there pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna let it cool for just a second before I peel it off. But actually you can't see that white border too much, but normally I like it without it there. It looks pretty good though. So simple, easy, cost effective. You know, if you make a whole bunch and cut them out ahead of time when you're making your products, you can just slap them on your shirts and not have to worry about it. But you know, to each his own. This works for me right now, trying to save as much money as I can with my small business, especially trying to recoup from the pandemic and my health and everything like that. It's just easier for me to make certain things myself right now. Now that may change in the future. However, it works for me right now. I'm a small business. I'm basically doing everything. I'm customer service. I'm doing my website, I'm posting pictures on social media, you know, making the products. Eventually I will incorporate my family, but right now I do everything on my own. No one helps me. So yeah, that's another reason why, guys, sometimes I don't get videos or you don't see me posting on social media, because I'm trying to create and still do the website, you know, stay with social media and things like that. But I'm gonna get myself in a groove and we're gonna get there. But I hope you like this video, guys. Give me a like on this video if you did. Also, again, if you're new and you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked below in the description box, as well as the link to my website, my book, and my blog. I will make sure to link where I get my paper from and anything else you guys want to know. This little heat thing, Cricut heat press thing, I got from Cricut. I got it off the Cricut website, so you can get yours there. My Silhouette, of course, I got it from Silhouette. But yeah, things work. You can do things on your own, guys. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comments, or if there's something you would like to see that is not already on my channel, let me know and I will add it to the list. And until next time, bye.